first question you ask, yeah, how do we increase the supply of electricity? I think it's about getting power to people. It's about yeah, families in ordinary places being able to have power quickly, cheaply, and affordably. The technology is there to do that, and we can help them get power in their homes very quickly and very cheaply and very efficiently. The second part of the equation is, what about industrial power, urban power? What about all of the businesses that need to run? Well, an interesting thing's happening in that space. The traditional way of looking at it is you strike a contract with the national utility, whether you're in Nigeria or Kenya or South Africa, and they will get power to you, and then you pay the price that they state. There's a new evolving system, which is that if you're, for example, Kenya Breweries just last week announced a big deal where they were going to produce their own power on site. Solar panels, they could put a wind farm in, they could contract power for themselves. So those captive power solutions are becoming really interesting across the continent. And more businesses are asking the question, if I can have captive power where I know the reliability, I know the cost, it's not going to fluctuate in the way that it might from a utility, I can have a little bit more predictability. And as a bonus, I can have this power generated by renewables, so zero carbon. That's a fascinating evolution in the energy system. So, short answer to your question, yeah, how do we increase supply? How do we get power to people? And how we get power to people, I think, is changing in an extremely interesting way, and one that we'll all be very proud of, because I think Africa really leads the way in developing these new systems to get power to people.